there, future scientists! Welcome back to the Bright Mind Science Lab. Today we're going to do something amazing. Watch a plant breathe. Get ready to see real photosynthesis happening right before your eyes. It's a simple experiment that shows how plants make their own food and give us something super important. For this experiment, you only need a few simple things you might already have at home or school. First, grab a clear glass or a clear bowl. This lets us see everything clearly. You'll also need a fresh leaf. A spinach leaf works great, or any other fresh leafy green. Make sure it's healthy and not wilted. Next, you need some water. Just regular tap water is fine. Warm water might help the experiment work a little faster, but it's not strictly necessary. Finally, you need light. Sunlight is the best, but a bright flashlight or lamp can also work. Light is the energy source for our plant friend. Okay, let's get started. First, take your clear glass or bowl and fill it up with water. Almost to the top is good. Now, carefully place your fresh leaf into the water. Try to get it fully submerged. If you can, place it upside down so the bottom of the leaf is facing up. The bottom of the leaf has tiny openings called stomata, which are like little mouths that help the plant breathe and release things. Now, for the most important step, put your glass with the leaf in a sunny spot. A windowsill is perfect. If it's a cloudy day, use a bright lamp or flashlight and shine it directly on the glass. Now, here comes the part that requires a little patience. You need to wait and watch closely. It might take a few minutes or even longer, depending on the leaf and the light. Keep watching the surface of the leaf, especially the edges and the bottom. Look very, very closely. Do you see anything starting to form? You should start to see tiny, tiny bubbles appearing on the leaf's surface. They might look like little beads of dew at first, but they will grow and eventually float up to the top of the water. These little bubbles are proof that something amazing is happening. So, what exactly are those tiny bubbles? They are oxygen. Yes, the same oxygen that we breathe to live. Plants are incredible living things. They can make their own food using a process called photosynthesis. This word sounds big, but it just means making things with light. Plants use sunlight for energy, water from the soil, or in our case, the glass, and a gas from the air called carbon dioxide. They take these three things and turn them into sugar, which is their food, and oxygen, which they release. The bubbles you see are that oxygen being released from the leaf into the water. It's like watching the plant exhale. This experiment shows us how plants help keep our air fresh and clean by producing oxygen. They are like little oxygen factories powered by the sun. Great job, scientists! You just saw photosynthesis in action with your very own eyes. You watched a leaf make oxygen bubbles. This simple experiment proves how vital plants are to our planet and to us. They make their food and give us the air we need to breathe. You can try this experiment again with different types of leaves to see if they produce bubbles at different rates. You could also try using different light sources to see which works best. Keep observing and asking questions. That's what science is all about. Thanks for joining us for this fun photosynthesis experiment at the Bright Mind Science Lab. We hope you had fun watching your leaf make bubbles. Don't stop exploring the amazing world of science. There are so many cool things to discover all around you. Be sure to check out our other videos for more exciting experiments and science fun. See you next time.